Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how we can change the language of the application of this camera. So when we are in the application, we have to tap on the settings icon, and right now we have to scroll down and tap on the language right here, and here we get the list of all available languages, and we have to select our favorite and then just go back. So for example, I'm going to change it for the Deutsch, and as you can see, our language has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.